Thanks for watching Rogue Adventures. In this video, Chloe and I take Paul on a bike ride down to check out the creek at Lake Houston Wilderness Park. Peach Creek runs right through the middle of the park and is usually just more than a trickle. But with all the rain we've had, the water level is really swollen. Come with us as we go check it out, and hit that subscribe button to check out more of our adventures.
Yeah, I rubbed your tire.
It's a short bike ride from the RV sites to the creek. And when we got there, we parked our bikes and walked down to the creek side. Chloe and I are very impressed with the water level being so high compared to the normal levels that we've seen, but the water witness marks in the trees and the creek bed indicate that it's been much higher than this.
I didn't know there was.
I imagine it gets... You can see where it's got sand all the way up on top of the hill there. Fresh stuff. It gets pretty high, I bet.
Places where there's brush, stuff like that. Those white bass, this is about time for them to be up in the creeks spawning. They like that moving water.
Yeah, right
Look at the water level right now.
Is it really deep? Is it like right here?
How much it's going down?
Huh?
Is it like right here?
Out there, yeah, it's probably over your head.
It's over your head.
All of this is normally
Walkable.
3 or 4 feet above the water.
Do you think I can jump across that?
Yep. It's not going to wash you away if you fail.
Well, I know what to do.
Yeah, you can see the way that.
Now I can definitely jump across. Should I do it?
How are you going to jump back?
I don't know. Did the water get to up here? Oh!
Did you make it?
Partly. My boot kicked up a bunch of water.
Said, I'm surprised you didn't get all wet jumping back this way.
After we checked out the creek, we played around a little more on our bikes, then headed back to camp.
Do the trick I did right there.
Thanks for watching Rogue Adventures. Hit our like button and subscribe to our channel for more adventures.